Once again, we have another line plot. And already before I read the question, before I do anything, I'm just going to look at what I notice. I notice that once again, my origin is labeled. It is at point 0. And the origin will always be at point 0, because 0 is where our number line starts. I know that it's in a slant or an upward motion. I see that there is tick marks in between larger marks, and I see that each tick mark is labeled 1/2. So if I add a half every time, this next one should be 2/2, or 1 whole. Then I have 3/2, so then this must be 4/2, or 2 wholes. So this one should be 5/2, and this last one should be 6/2, or 3 wholes. Now, let's look at my question. I need to plot R so that the distance from my origin, my 0, is 5/2. Since I've already noticed the tick marks and labeled everything I've seen, I can easily find 5/2. I'm going to put my mark there. I'm going to label it R. Now R is exactly 5/2 away from my origin point. So the coordinate of R, the coordinate of point R, is 5/2 away from my origin.